Hey everybody, Ellen here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to remove and replace the alternator in a 2013 Chevy Cruze. Procedures will be similar for most Cruze models from 2011 to 2015, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. Use a lug wrench or breaker bar and 19mm socket to loosen the lug nuts on the front passenger side wheel. Chock your rear wheels, then use a jack and jack stands to lift and support the front end. Remove the front passenger side wheel. Lift the battery terminal cover out of the way if there is one, and use a ratchet and 10mm socket to disconnect the negative battery cable. Use a flathead screwdriver or 7mm socket to loosen the hose clamp at the back of the airbox. And remove the airbox from the engine bay. Use a 13mm socket and ratchet or breaker bar to rotate the tensioner enough to slip the belt off the alternator. Remove the positive cable nut using a 13mm socket. And detach the positive cable. If equipped, disconnect the alternator wiring harness plug. Lastly, use your 11mm socket or E14 inverted Torx socket and ratchet to loosen the two mounting bolts. Once they're loose, remove them by hand and carefully lower the alternator out of the vehicle. Compare the old alternator with your new one to make sure you have the right replacement part. Lift your new alternator into place and thread the mounting bolts by hand. Use your ratchet and socket to secure them and your torque wrench to tighten them to 26 foot-pounds. Reconnect the wiring harness. Reinstall the positive cable and nut and tighten the nut to 111 inch-pounds. Use your ratchet or breaker bar to rotate the tensioner and slip the belt back onto the alternator pulley. Make sure the belt is properly seated on all the pulleys. Put the air box back in place and use your flathead screwdriver to secure the hose and clamp at the back. Reattach the negative battery cable and snap the cover back into place. Reinstall the front wheel and tighten the lug nuts until the wheel is secure against the rotor. Lower the front end and remove the wheel chocks. Use your torque wrench and 19mm socket to tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to 100 foot-pounds. Close the hood, and that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we would be happy to recommend a professional shop or a certified auto repair service center in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you will see all of our new video content. And we'll see you again soon.